Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is the 2015 GMC Yukon SLT four-wheel drive, stock number X128A. Only 19,000 miles in this Yukon. It's a one-owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Yukon brand new, crystal red in color. You do receive Sheboygan Chevy Chrysler's exclusive lifetime powertrain warranty. Seats 8, leather interior, DVD player with headphones and remote still in the box, rear climate control, out forward middle row seats are also heated, push a button on the inside of the door, seats fold flat, push again, tumble forward, making it easy to get to the third row that also seats 3. Advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, backup camera, along with the rear parking sensors. Power liftgate for convenience. 60/40 split rear seat. Folds flat with the push of a button. You can also fold and tumble the second row from the rear also, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or things in the body. Running boards make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This SLT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, and power adjustable pedals, put you in that perfect driving position. Shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting, integrated trailer brake control, power moonroof, push button start, large, easy to read gauges, again only 19,000 miles. The driver information system controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, as well as forward collision alert, cruise control, leather wrapped steering wheel which is heated, great for those cold winter days, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming, navigation, and that is of course where the backup camera displays. 3-zone automatic temperature control with heated as well as cooled front seats. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, auto dimming here, home link transmitter for garage door opener, power liftgate, and moonroof control. Under the hood, this Yukon has a 5.3 liter V8, 355 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Yukon, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.